Columbus Police Radio, make yourself known. What room's your daughter in?
On June 23, 2024, at approximately 10:55 p.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to the 1800 block of Kermit Drive on a call of a shooting.
Are you for real? Hello? Yeah. I need an ambulance. What address? I need a stop fighting. He wouldn't stop. I shot him. I shot him in the back. Oh, okay. What address? I need you here now. 18. What address? 1861 Kermit Avenue. Sit down. Okay. Where's the gun? Stay there. We're coming, okay? Stay there. We'll be there shortly.
The officers arrived on scene and located a male victim and a female suspect.
It's right up here. Let me see your hands. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your on you. Where's the gun at? Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Hands behind your back. Drop the phone. I'll fix your stuff in a second.
Please go. They're doing it.
Hey, sit down. Sit down.
Stop.
Come sit down.
All right, go over there. Stay right there.
Let's go this way. Come on, come on.
Can you fix my robe? I'm naked. If I open my legs, my coochie and titties gonna be out.
Well, guess what? Your coochie titties is not as important as someone getting shot right now. Just to let you know
Y'all
that.
not helping him.
Wait for the man.
God arrested me.
Shoot him?
It's his fault.
Okay, let's go. I don't care if it's on you.
No, you do. You should.
I shouldn't.
You should, because it would have been me. The fuck?
Okay, well, guess what?
It'll be a different story, right?
Right now, what do you mean different story?
Shut up.
It's usually the opposite.
Shut up.
Right? Okay.
Stop talking to me.
All right. Watch your head.
Duh.
Hands. Step away from me. Step away. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Drop the phone. You're at, ma'am? Where you shot at? Stay where you're at. Stay where you're at. I get to her. Vince, are you good here? She's the only one in there? This happened inside or outside? We're just making sure nobody else is hurt, okay. Columbus Police Radio, make yourself known. What room's your daughter in? I got straight ahead if you got left. Columbus Police! Clearing kitchen. Clear back here.
We got a basement here. Columbus Police, if you're down here, sound off!
Right behind you, lot. We got lights.
Columbus Police!
There's a garage here too. You want to check this garage?
Just hold it for a second.
We're working the basement right now. The daughter's supposed to be in here.
They're coming out.
Daughter should be in here sleeping.
Let's clear that basement.
Garage.
Oh, yeah, garage.
Clear.
Clear, we're coming out. Who's the shot?
The was shot.
Shot's out front.
What? Do we have? Where's the daughter at?
She's right here.
Okay. We can put her in the wagon.
No, the wagon's where this.
We gotta have to get her out and hold this.
Yeah, it's gonna be seen. Hey, let's get her out then. We got a female.
We got her detained. Yeah. 112 in the air. We got one detained.
Yeah, I'll be over in the air.
I have to move these cruisers for medics to get through.
There you go.
The female suspect was taken to Columbus Police Headquarters to be interviewed by a detective. She was then taken through ID for fingerprints before being slated at the Franklin County Jail for a charge of felonious assault.
Good. 4005. Copy.
I'll follow this officer.
Hey, did you just put my cuffs in my file? Right this way. See right here.
Your right hand, you might want to pull up that to your elbows, because if this ink, it's hard to get this ink out here. If this one's not, this one's
Was you in there with him living with the boxing rolls tattoo?
Yeah, that was good.
The charges were dismissed a few days later in municipal court. My best guess is that the victim refused to cooperate with the investigation and stated the incident was his own fault.
What?
He got shot. He did. This house or the other one?
What thing was it, that house?
Yeah.
Somebody got shot there?
He's fine. He got shot in his shoulder. But he's fine. He's not. He was 100% responsive. He said it's his fault. He didn't want nothing. But obviously, we took him to. He went to Grant.
Okay.
Not life threatening. He got shot in the shoulder.
Okay, good.
Yeah.